So, what is lexicology? Lexicology is the discipline that studies the meaning of the lexical units called lexicons of a language and their systematic relationship in between them in virtue of their meaning. It originates from the Greek lexicon and logi, which means word study. Lexicology deals not only with simple words like cat, mouse, keyboard, and many others in all their aspects, but also with complex and compound words like it was a heart stopping show. The meaningful units of language that are important for lexicology are morphology, that is the one that studies the parts of a word, like in, speak, able, that means not to be able to explain. Semantics, that is the one that studies the meaning of words, like how a word can change in a context or how they can do it. And etymology, that is the one that studies the origin of the words and how they can change, how they evolve in time. Also, not to confuse lexicology with lexicography, that is the compilation and writing of dictionaries. Its basic objectives are to describe the meaning of words and elaborate propositions about how to codify them, to explain the cases when in the same sequence of sounds has more than one meaning, to establish and analyze the relationship between the meaning of some words and how it makes lexical classes make it up, and to exalt the process that triggers change in the meaning of words. Lexicology divides in many types, and some of them we are going to talk about, like cognitive lexicology, historical lexicology, and spatial lexicology.
Hello, my name is Sofia Rosero and I'm going to talk about spatial lexicology. Spatial lexicology, also known as thematic lexicology or applied lexicology, is a branch of linguistics that focuses on the study of the vocabulary of a specific file or particular discipline. Unlike general lexicology, which deals with the study of the vocabulary in a broad and general sense, spatial lexicology focuses on specialized and technical terms used in areas such as medicine, technology, law, computer science, etc. An example of this lexicology could be in the area of computer science, where all its vocabulary is based on different codes which are understandable for people who study programming.
Lexicological history. The lexicological history explores how words transform over time, acting as witness, involving influence and weights of expressions were undergo shifting in the sound and meaning, reflecting to the dynamics of past of cultures. Um, Additionally, linguistics change where different language share words and contribute to the rich tapestry of language evolution. For example, the broadcast, originally in the context of radio, its meaning transmitting sound. Um, Over time, its usage explained to the television and other media reflecting evolution in how communicate information. It's a broadcast. And it is the words and the cultures at the time.
Cognitive lexicology studies words and their meanings from a cognitive perspective. That is, it focuses on how people use and understand words, based on their mental process and sensory experiences. It is based on the idea that the meaning of words is not sample story in the dictionary, but is related to the experiences and cognition of the speakers. For example, in Colombia, we have several meanings that are only used here, as is the word juicioso, we use it to refer to someone well behaved, who is correct, who is calm. We Colombians already know the meaning of this word from our experiences or having heard it.